Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of football gear with a focus on the Oakley Pro Football Shield. If you're looking for the best clear visor for your football helmet, look no further. Oakley has set a high standard in sports optics, and this visor is no exception. Let's kick things off with what makes the Oakley Pro Football Shield stand out. Designed specifically for the Riddell SpeedFlex helmet, this visor is in-game, on-field approved. It features Oakley's patented high-definition optics, ensuring superior optical clarity and razor-sharp vision at every angle, while eliminating any distortion that could hinder your performance. Made from Oakley Plutonite, a durable proprietary synthetic material, this visor not only offers exceptional protection but also blocks 100% of all UVA, UVB, UVC, and harmful blue light up to 400 nanometers. It's coated with an AFR lens treatment for anti-fog performance and improved scratch resistance, keeping your vision clear even in the heat of the game. Moving on to build quality and design, Oakley has spared no expense. The visor is crafted from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. It's designed for ease of use, with straightforward installation on the Riddell SpeedFlex helmet, making it a favorite among players who prioritize both performance and comfort. The clear lens color enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, crucial for maintaining focus on the field. Whether you're under stadium lights or battling the elements outdoors, the Oakley Pro Football Shield delivers consistent clarity. Now, let's talk performance. This visor has been field tested by professionals and amateurs alike, receiving high praise for its ability to enhance vision without compromising safety. The AFR coating keeps fog at bay, which is a game-changer during intense moments. It's also easy to clean, so you can maintain peak performance game after game. To wrap things up, the Oakley Pro Football Shield is, without a doubt, the best clear football visor available today. From its impeccable optical clarity and durable build to its anti-fog capabilities and easy installation, Oakley has created a product that meets the demands of competitive football players. Whether you're gearing up for your next season or simply upgrading your equipment, investing in the Oakley Pro Football Shield is a decision you won't regret. It combines Oakley's reputation for excellence with practical features that enhance your performance on the field. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.